Morning, bless up. 5:19. Yeah, once again, 5:19. This is the 5th of August, 2013. We have to do an overdub on take two here, cause you're not letting that one go up so easy. So we're gonna overdub it. Try that. Jupiter St. Peter Tosh, over in the east. I'm in Midway's Imperial Majesty Lightship in the west and stuff. But these are some different things. It's the morning star and the evening star. They're both there. Coming up here. This is take two. Take two, okay. Where's these words? When this world starts getting me down, and people are just too much for me to face. We're still rolling. I climb way up to the top of the stairs, and all my cares just drift right into space. On the roof it's peaceful as can be. There's one kid who can bother me. Hey, let me tell you now, when I come home feeling tired. Stop that.